What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I have a really cool quick little tutorial for you guys. So I know you guys have probably seen like people streaming and uh, especially the speedrunners. They have like the controller inputs showing on OBS or whatever software that they're using. I'm going to show you one uh, useful website that lets you do that. And it's very easy to set up. I do recommend that you have a somewhat decent computer though, because I did try this on a very low end laptop before, and it did not work very well. So yeah, the more processing power, the better. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to go to whatever website that you want, and whatever web browser that you want. Sorry, and then you want to go to this website up here. I'll leave this website in the description so you guys can just click on it and come right to it. And then what you want to do is you want to take your controller, and it could be Bluetooth or wired, and you just want to press any button to register it, and then it'll pop up a little menu up here. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to actually show the menus, but I'm hoping it does, considering I'm doing display capture. But what you want to do is you want to click where it says none and click on player one, and then you should see the controller. Now, you can make this controller look like whatever you want it to look like. In fact, there are skins that you can add to make the controller look different. But as you can see, if I move the left stick around, you can actually see it moving. And then the D-pad, they light up. Right stick, face buttons, they all do something. They all light up. Oh, okay. Even the clicking the left and right sticks don't work. I never actually tried it with this, but that's kind of cool. So it registers all the buttons, and then you got your player indicator in the middle as well, which is kind of cool. Now if you go over here, where you see this little Xbox logo, you can click on that, and then you can change how your controller looks. So right now we got the normal black Xbox controller, but if you wanted to match your controller, you could do that. And if you notice, it's using the OG Xbox controller, the OG Xbox One controller. But I'm pretty sure you can add the more modern one if you know how. You got the Xbox 360. Now this is truly old school right here. Oh my gosh. I ain't used the Xbox 360 controller in a hot minute. We also got the PS3 controller. Even though I'm using an Xbox controller, it's still gonna behave the same way, which is pretty cool, in my opinion. So this is good if you're like playing doing like PlayStation stuff, like a PlayStation emulator or something, or if you're actually using a PlayStation controller. You got PS4. Ooh, I wish I had a PS4 controller because I wonder if it would actually show the touchpad inputs. That would be kind of cool. You got GameCube, which is really cool. A lot of these I might actually use if I'm being honest. Let's see what else you got. You got a Fight Pad Pro. That's freaking cool. And it's a PlayStation version too, which is kind of cool. You also got a flight stick, which is interesting. You got NES as well, again, which is pretty cool. And then you got Nintendo 64. The heck? Yeah, this one, this one, you might have to do some configuration because when I press the start and view buttons, it's showing up as the A and B buttons, which is not correct. So yeah, you would definitely have to do some configuration with this one. But still, pretty cool, nevertheless. Uh, and then you can also change the color of the background if you want, but it's not really necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna do the white Xbox One controller, and they do have a Discord, which I'm assuming you can go to if you want like more skins and stuff. I haven't been to the Discord yet, but once you have everything set up the way you want to come up here and click these three little lines, and then you want to come down here and you want to go to generate URL. Now I already have mine. I already have a URL. So what I'm gonna do? Well, I still click on this so I can show you guys. So you click on that, generate URL, and then it'll give you a URL to use for OBS. So you click on that, and it'll copy it, It'll automatically copy it. And then if you wanna change your skin, like if you change your mind on what kind of skin you want, you can do it right here. You can also change the player as well. Excuse me. All right, so then once you have that set up, we're gonna open up OBS. OBS, where you at? There you are. And then you're gonna add it as a browser source, as indicated by the little globe right here. So if I double click this, as you can see, it didn't update the controller. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our web browser. Click on this, generate URL, copy. All right. And then go back to OBS. Double click this. And then all you gotta do is this. Erase the old URL that's in there and paste your new one in there. And then hit OK. And then we're gonna go ahead and show it. And it is not actually showing for some reason. Why is that? Oh, okay, I see. So we are going to go to transform. You shouldn't have this issue if you're doing it for the first time, but I think I know why. I don't know why mine is. Doing that. There we go. And it's still the black one. I don't know why. It's still showing up as the black one, but anyway, it should show up. Oh, you know what? Hold up. I know why. Yeah, okay, that's why. All right, let's see if it updated before I leave this website. Okay, no. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that the settings that you chose on the main page match the generate link page. So we're going to copy this again. It does have a few little bugs here and there, but once you get it, there we go. Once you get it though, you'll be good to go. All right, so then you take this, put it wherever you want. Doesn't matter where. And then, as you can see, the controller is working. You can see it working on OBS. And then what you could do is you could open up whatever game that you want. It could be a PC game, it could be an emulator, it could be whatever. So we're gonna go to Dolphin, which may need an update. Yep, I knew it. Okay, so GameCube emulator had to update, but who got that taken care of? So yeah, then you just pick whatever game you want to play. It doesn't matter which game. I'm gonna go with let's go Mario Kart Double Dash. As you should see, everything I'm doing should be mirrored on the game controller, the virtual game controller. I can't remember which ones I completed and which ones I didn't complete. Oh well, we'll just do the first one. Yeah, you get the idea. And like I said, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what game you play. doesn't matter what game you play, you will be able to show your controller. And something else that you could do is you could like configure your OBS layout to give the controller its own little space. So, you know, you like you saw, you can move this wherever you want it to be. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to be in a particular spot or anything. So, yeah, hopefully you find this useful. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.